Union Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurates Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 at Hapta, Kangchibong. Forest and Environment Minister Tej Shyamkumar launches Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 at Kaibul Lamjau YIC ground in Bishnupur district. Imphal Municipal Corporation condemns Tourism Department for indifference, boycotts Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin sets in motion 2 out of 8 defunct traffic signal systems in and around Imphal city in view of Sangai Festival. And Sangai Run Spreading Save Sangai message held simultaneously in Imphal, Kaibul Lamjau and Mau this morning as prelude to Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the headlines and details. Union Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has inaugurated Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre in Hapta, Kangchibong this evening. Speaking on the occasion, Nirmala Sitharaman thanked for giving her the honor of gracing the event. She lauded Manipur as a land endowed with nature's beauty, praising the state for its rich heritage of art and culture, exquisite handlooms and handicrafts, sports achievements. She also encouraged youths of the state to take up enterprises, expressing her contentment at the peaceful coexistence of various communities in the state. The Union Minister expressed pride for all the achievements of the state and wished for the success of the festival. Before the inaugural, Union Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman visited the Heritage Park at Hapta, Kangchibong, accompanied by Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin, ministers, MLAs, special invitees and other top officials. The festival, which commenced today, will be held simultaneously at Hapta, Kangchibong, Lamboy Khongnangkhong, Kaibul Lamjau, Kuman Lampak Sports Complex and Mau till November 30th.
And there's no doubt you need a festival, but Manipur for me is a gem among states. Manipur, truly. What is not here? What is not here? I repeat, it's such a beautifully endowed state. You have the wonderful Loktak Lake, freshwater lake, like nowhere else in the world. You have that beautiful reserve forest on an international border, where border doesn't matter at all. All wildlife keep freely moving around there. Untrampled beauty. It's such a beautiful border and such wonderful wildlife and preserved pristine. You saw the way you invoke your goddesses and gods much before the spirits, much before any festival. That just links to the early days of civilization when any people, they could have animist worship or they could be anything else, institutionalized religion or not. Music is how they invoke the spirits. And that's live in Manipur. You're doing it almost in every ceremony, every festival. That has to be appreciated. Manipur's people have not forgotten their tradition, and that's alive here. You can see it touches your soul. And in this environment with the moon overlooking us, I felt for a minute it was just straight connecting us to our nature.
Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawcham Shyamkumar has launched Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 at Kaibul Lamjau YIC ground in Bishnupur district today. Speaking on the occasion, the minister appealed for cooperation in safeguarding the endangered Sangai. Tej Shyamkumar asserted that Manipur is known to the rest of the world because of the endemic Sangai. He appealed to everyone in the state to protect and safeguard wildlife of the state, including the endangered Sangai. He also appreciated residents in and around Kaibul Lamjau and Loktak Lake for supporting every efforts of the government in safeguarding the Sangai. MLAs of various constituencies of Bishnupur district and eminent officials of the Forest Department attended the event. They inaugurated a photo exhibition at the entrance of Kaibul Lamjau National Park. On the other hand, Imphal Municipal Corporation, which has always taken an active role in organizing Manipur Sangai Festival, has boycotted the festival. The corporation has resolved to return Sangai Festival invitation cards given to IMC corporators by the Tourism Department and to cease cleaning works by IMC workers for the festival. Speaking to media at IMC Opposition Party office, spokesperson of IMC councillors P. Nutan Chandra asserted that IMC has been taking a major role in organizing Manipur's biggest festival, this Sangai Festival, by keeping Imphal city neat and clean and preventing unwanted eventualities. He termed it unfortunate that organizer of the festival, the Tourism Department, failed to issue car passes to top officials of the IMC, and even their invitation cards arrived only this morning. Nutan Chandra condemned the Tourism Department for showing indifference to IMC. He also lamented that such mistreats have occurred on earlier occasions.
Parliament Sarkar is the Munna Cantabi Haraga, Mutang, Masi Atumatam Damasi, Wali Manovi Chungana Kali, Ramdi, Tourism Department, Tauribasi, Equibia, Mamma Tamsu, Amuk to Kujivan, Ramam Tamsu, Akubus, Potato with the last hour that Tourism Diet of Police of Pambola Company, in the Kanari Wapamuni, Manamaduna. I could put out this and work with Ubiba, Wigano, Madame D. Imphal Municipal Corporation, I say, I'm the Maruiba Department, Pasina Tabi Heraga, Tourism Department, Atuatuna Tawiba, a Kuibu, Carti Piraga, car pass be a tomatin with the Wasa, Masi, quite Masi Abagam de Matiam, strongly condemned to Wolena, I could be invitation cars, I could no then official Kutanga could have taken Masi, I could Masi, I could Doxanagani.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has set in motion 2 out of 8 defunct traffic signal systems in and around Imphal city today in view of Sangai Festival. The Chief Minister assured of making 3 more traffic signals fully functional during the festival. Speaking to media in front of Kangla Western Gate after kicking off the traffic signal systems, Biren lamented that the traffic signals installed 7 years ago were not functional until now. He disclosed that the government associated with MS Sun Technologies Secunderabad for the project under road safety measures. He declared that GPO Junction and Western Kangla Gate Junction are fully operational now, and efforts are on to ensure that North AOC, Governor and Kaishampa junctions are fully functional by tomorrow. Assuring that Singchamai, Kwakaithil and Khuyathong junctions traffic signals will be fully operational by November 28, the Chief Minister appealed for public cooperation. He urged the public to follow traffic rules, to wear car seat belts, helmets and not to blow horns in silent zones and school areas. The Chief Minister also inaugurated a newly constructed information center and gift shop at Kangla, followed by inspection of the ongoing construction of Kangla Rock Garden and renovations of Kangla Museum. Chief Minister Biren also disclosed that the Princess of Thailand, who will be attending the Sangai Festival, is eager to witness Manipur, which was once a kingdom.
Last 7 years, Kilamaga's function to Gunalabasida, traffic is some Sinkalakpa, other Yamnungai Mana. Ngarang nahan hapta muki mamang namitaran muki mamang lagi aku Manipur ki traffic rules si urak pa matamda zebra crossing si lansel laga gari khamba praja sing na urak tre praja sing da doki matik decency civic sense traffic norms se phajana khang bagi mami tare madu ki damta praja mayam gari thobi riba mayam punu mai thagat chari zebra crossing landana tawriba dai henkan na ba pahende henkan na bi tawdabi se Nagaland da yang biro Mizoram da yang biro gari se amai matung ama sang sang na phaja phaja lepaga lebene Bahenda Henkan Misi talk the Bahitare. aduna aina mayam da appeal tongning basi ngasi dagi hana dagi akoi mafam nipan mak sport nipan dani hojik traffic ki signal light khilise mafam nipan mak akoi hojik function tongna ba ready lere last 7 years kilamaga jo function tongna laibasi.
Chief Minister Nongthongpan Biren flagged off Sangai Run from Khuman Lampak Indoor Stadium this morning as a part of Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. Sangai Run covered a distance of 10 kilometers, spreading the message of Save Sangai, passing through Khuman Lampak Dinku Road, Chingmarong in and around Kangla towards Sanjinthong to finally conclude at the indoor stadium. She'd also flagged off Sangai Half Run at Sendra as a part of Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. Runners, including 10 international runners from Ethiopia and Kenya, took part in the Sangai Run, which covered areas of Kaibul, Thangalawai, Moirang Bazar till Sendra. Meanwhile, Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam and other ministers also simultaneously flagged off Sangai Run, participated by 154 men and 42 women from Tadubi football ground in Mao.
Somehow attached to what? But in the Sangai Festival, I see whoever government, or Congress government or BJP government, not important. Important way the Sangai Festivals at Quake, Loinamaki, I quake, A Samaga, Loinamu Yauraga, I quina, whatever promotion according to Wiabato. Suppose a queen as Moiranga, Moiranga, Lipo Moirang Macha, I quit and die, Missing Sibu, Moiki well taken care of. Makoy Kadai comment to Angamba, I give either Bazar, I'm like for in Lakota, oh, Moirang to the hospitable Loibani. When young warm Loibani. Moist in Lakmat of the Harautayamna, a Titila for the Tawibini, Adubi, Amuchachini Hydra, Matang Tawini. Not about that quick incident of Mapanela commission that for the Nakakiwana take any extra agent of Panela Koda. Nungai to don't talk of set by Avalam Natira, Wari like the Pazan Madu, a sneezing, don't Hydra, Aquila, and Muidrim.
Moirang Assembly Youth Congress Committee felicitated cyclist Rohan Pilem at its office today. Rohan, who cycled all the way from Sardha University in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, carrying the message of Save Sangai and humanity as a goodwill approach towards Sangai Festival, reached his final destination at Kaibul Lamjau yesterday. Former MLA Prithviraj presented him a memento, a shawl and a cash reward of 10,000 rupees on the occasion. Speaking in the event, Prithviraj appealed to the residents of Moirang to be hospitable, as many tourists will be visiting the area during the 10-day Sangai Festival. He maintained that pleasant attitude will attract more tourists.
Somehow attached to what? But in the Sangai Festival, I see whoever government, or Congress government or BJP government, not important. Important way the Sangai Festivals at Quake, Loinamaki, I quake, A Samaga, Loinamu Yauraga, I quina, whatever promotion according to Wiabato. Suppose a queen as Moiranga, Moiranga, Lipo Moirang Macha, I quit and die, Missing Sibu, Moiki well taken care of. Makoy Kadai comment to Angamba, I give either Bazar, I'm like for in Lakota, oh, Moirang to the hospitable Loibani. When young warm Loibani, Moist in Lakmat of the Harautayamna, a Titila for the Tawibini, Adubi, Amuchachini Hydra, Matang Tawini. Not about that quick incident of Mapanela commission that for the Nakakiwana take any extra agent of Panela Koda. Nungai to don't talk of set by Avalam Natira, Wari like the Pazan Madu, a sneezing, don't Hydra, Aquila, and Muidrim.
Sumo wrestlers from Japan have reached Imphal to demonstrate Japanese sumo wrestling during Sangai Festival. Salai Holdings Private Limited accorded a warm welcome to the team of 4 sumo wrestlers, 1 judge and 1 interpreter upon their arrival in Imphal International Airport today. Salai Holdings Vice Chairman also accorded them a warm reception in the private company's office at Teralo Krakpam Leikai. Japanese sumo wrestling demonstrations will be held for 4 days during Sangai Festival from November 22nd to 25th with 2 demonstrations per day. Salai Holdings Private Limited has sponsored the event costing around 1 crore and 70 lakh rupees.
Somehow attached to the Shanghai Festival, whoever government, Congress government or BJP government, not important. Important is the Shanghai Festivals. Whatever promotion, suppose
the washroom of More constructed at an estimated cost of around 1 crore rupees under Land Port Authority of India is in a deplorable condition. Not only the washroom but ICP passenger terminal building is also piling up garbages. Impact News came across piling dirts inside ICP and non-functional dirty toilets. It may be mentioned that the custom office was opened and staffs were on duty with the opening of Indo-Myanmar land route even before the completion of ICP construction. The deplorable conditions inconvenience staffs and hinder in performing their duties. General Secretary of Mitai Council, More and Inaucha expressed that the prevailing pathetic condition is a big humiliation for both the state and the central government, as the ICP serves as the first halt for tourists coming from Myanmar and other countries to attend the Shanghai Festival. '54 Battalion BSF under Sector Headquarter Border Security Force Koiringai has handed over a waiting shed as a part of its civic action program to residents of Laishang village in Churachandpur district today. The villagers expressed gratitude towards BSF for its welfare initiative. All Manipur Students Union AMSU is organizing a free coaching for underprivileged students appearing the upcoming Class 10 and 12 examinations 2018. AMSU in a press release informed that application forms for the revision course will be issued on November 24th and that of the last date of form submission is on December 3rd. Interested students may avail further details from AMSU headquarters. Kanglei Park Students Association Jiribam District Council in a press release informed that a teacher of Lalpani High School, Jiribam, was substituted 2 years ago. The council urged to the Department of Education S to take action against the teacher. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Eid Milad-un-Nabi celebration. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Muslims in Manipur joined the world in observing Eid Milad-un-Nabi, the birth anniversary celebration of Prophet Muhammad, today. A seminar on Islam and science was organized at the campus of Riyatuddin Wali Masjid in Irong Kunau. Prophet Hazrat Muhammad's life stories and contribution to Islam were apprised and sweets were also distributed. On the occasion, Eid Milad-un-Nabi or Maulid is celebrated every year as Prophet Muhammad's birthday. The birth anniversary is commemorated in the third month of the Islamic calendar, Rabi al-Awwal, this year. This year, the celebration is held on November 2021 across India. On the joyous occasion of Eid Milad-un-Nabi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also extended his greetings. Modi tweeted, "We remember the noble teachings of the venerable Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and pray that there is harmony, brotherhood, and peace all around." All Manipur Physiotherapists Association AMPA celebrated its 11th Foundation Day in the Shanghai Hall of Hotel Imphal today. The association released 2019 AMPA calendar and distributed certificates and ID cards to its members on the occasion. Speaking in the event, AMPA founder member Taurangbam Dhanabir highlighted the roles and responsibilities of physiotherapists. He also expressed a desire for physiotherapists to develop the skills of counseling. Taking part in the event, President of Center for Organization Research and Education Core, Dr. Devabrata Roy Laipungbam, asserted that physiotherapists play a significant role in treatment of ailments related to mental health.
Physiotherapists are not mental health professionals. Mental health professionals in Tongali. It doesn't mean that just because you have an understanding of the mental health conditions, you become a mental health counselor or because physiotherapists are not required or replace the role of the mental health practitioners. And it must be to work together. Masi matang sida ina samlapna point anihundang pisaning. What is the approach in mental health and physiotherapy for the physiotherapists? Number one, the multidisciplinary team approach. Masi am chawba kainoma uwera ko physiotherapy ki world understanding that physiotherapist does not work alone in a clinic or in a hospital or in a particular setting. It is a group approach.
Chandal District Court Committee has appealed to stop circulation of controversial comments on social, print and electronic media about Miss Kut 2018 held at Sugnu Lamhang ground in Chandal District. Speaking to media at Sugnu Lamhang today, Joint Secretary of the committee Robert Gangti said that there was no fallacy in the contents. He clarified that the issue started due to some personal misunderstanding between jury of the contest, M. Pauniao Haukeb, and the host Jenny Soundtag. He stated that the organizing committee has brought a resolution to the controversy and warned of legal actions if anyone continues spreading unwanted comments on social media. Robert Naurim's collection, inspired by Kangla Gate, Sangai, Nongin, Pungcholom, Mitai, Mayek, etc., were showcased during Eco Fashion Week Australia, an event organized by Fashion Council Australia with an aim to support organic and eco-friendly textiles across the globe to combat global warming. 10 models sketched the ramp and Manipuri archaeological history-inspired designs at Fremantle Community Hall, Perth, Australia on November 19. Designers from 29 countries took part in the show, where Manipuri designer Robert Naurim was the only one from India. Tribal motifs from Thadau and Tangkul communities were utilized in his designs, bringing the concept of unity in diversity. Robert Naurim's collection was showcased on the valedictory day of the fashion event. Pre-production ceremony of Ngangkhai Laima Pictures' first Manipur feature film, Nungsi Kaithil, was held at Nagamapa, Lamabam Laikai today. The film, produced by Sunil Thokchom and directed by Mangal Chabungbam, with Gokul, Boni, Medha and Susitra in the lead roles. Speaking in the event, Director of Yumjao Laidenbi Dramatic and Cultural Union, C.H. Gunindru, assured that the film will give a new flavor to the people of Manipur. The 7-day Childline Sedosti campaign concluded in Bishnupur district today. Childline Bishnupur conducted painting competition, community meeting, poster campaign and various other awareness programs as a part of the campaign. DC, DLO and people of the district attended the closing event. The 79th Nupilal Celebration Month will be held from December 1st to 31st. Nupilal Memorial Association, Manipur will organize the event at its head office in Tera Market. Speaking to media at the head office today, Secretary of the Steering Committee, Longjamba Mitai, stated that the event is being organized in reverence to the brave unarmed mothers of the state who fought gallantly against the mighty British in 1939, 40 and 41. He also mentioned that the singing and quiz competitions based on Nupilal will be held as a part of the celebration in the association's branch offices. Winners of the competitions will be felicitated on the last day of Nupilal complex.
भारत सरकार सखंग बिरे हारगा इंग्लिश सिंगम समापन हुमद्रा मुतोगी मार्च की तांग अहुमदा निंखा तमननबगिदमत हौखिबा दुगुम सरुप अमनि हाइदुना रिकॉग्निशन पीगिबा दो लिसिंग अमग समापन हुमद्रागा तरुक की 22 सेप्टेम्बर की अदुगुमलबा लेटर अमदा अदुगुमलबा इमासिंगी हौखिबा नुपिलांगी थौनासिंग अदो मदुबु अखोइना रिकॉग्नाइज तौखरे हाइग्रगा अदुगुनबा हाइबा सेप्टेम्बर की तांग 22 फंगबा लेटर अदुना अमु कखरे हाइबा पोसक असे मसि करिगिदमुक्त कखरिबनो मसे अखोइ मणिपुर खुनाय असिन मि कपथोकले हाइरगा मसे रिवाइव तौबम मथौक ताइ हाइबा अदुगुमबगी पांदमदा अखोइना नुपिला celebration manase अखोइ पांथोक जबनी अदु.
Before we conclude the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Union Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurates Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 at Hapta, Kangchiko. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar launches Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 at Kaibul Lamjau YIC ground in Vishnupur district. Imphal Municipal Corporations condemns Tourism Department for indifference, boycotts Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. Chief Minister Nongthong Birain sets in motion 2 out of 8 defunct traffic signal systems in and around Imphal city in view of Sangai Festival. And Sangai runs parading saves Sangai message held simultaneously in Imphal, Kaibul Lamjau and Mau this morning as prelude to Manipur Sangai Festival 2018.